When it comes to cleaning hard surface floors, the goals are simple. Get it clean, do it cost effectively, and be as environmentally friendly as possible. But you know that the reality of meeting those goals can be, well, complicated. Why? Because your floor cleaning challenges are not the same throughout your facility. From those seldom traveled areas that require minimal routine maintenance to heavily soiled, high traffic areas like entryways and manufacturing floors where extra muscle is necessary. How do you get everything clean in the most environmentally friendly way? Easily, efficiently, and oh yeah, while saving money? That takes flexibility. That takes options. Introducing the Ecoflex System by Nilfisk, where green meets clean. It's an industry game changer that gives you an ultra-flexible, environmentally friendly, one-machine solution for all your hard surface floor cleaning challenges. Whatever your facility, whether it's a supermarket, a warehouse, a food and beverage processing facility, school, hospital, or office building, this one system can clean everything. The light traffic areas with an environmentally friendly and low-cost cleaning setting, and the tougher areas with performance-enhanced settings. Whatever the job demands, Ecoflex makes getting it done easier by providing the flexibility you need to be both clean and green, all in one scrubber. Let me show you how it works. With multiple cleaning modes at your fingertips, the Ecoflex system cleans like you do, applying more effort when you need it, less effort when you don't. Let me show you what I mean. At its very greenest mode of operation, Ecoflex cleans with plain water, along with varying degrees of down pressure and water flow, eliminating the impact of detergents on the environment and lowering the cost to clean. This chemical-free cleaning mode is perfect for light traffic areas where minimal cleaning strength is needed. That's great for low traffic, low maintenance areas, but when you do come across dirtier areas where, let's face it, water alone won't do the job, the Ecoflex system allows the operator to make on-the-fly adjustments between water-only cleaning and various blends of water flow, down pressure, and detergent. This delivers the proper cleaning power to tackle the cleaning challenge at hand. The controls and operation are so simple that operators won't have to hesitate to make adjustments for higher cleaning and sanitary standards. For example, the ultra-low detergent mode is well suited for routine cleaning situations where a very small amount of detergent is all that's needed to achieve a level of clean you simply can't get with a water-only option. Now, let's say you come across a high-traffic hallway where a little bit of detergent isn't quite enough, or where industry sanitation requirements dictate higher cleaning standards. With a simple press of a button on the scrubber's control panel, solution flow, down pressure, and dilution rate increase for heavy-duty cleaning power. And when you do use detergent, it's mixed with the water right at the scrub deck, not in the tank. That means only clean water is in the tank, and your operators aren't wasting their time pre-mixing or dumping any unused solution down a drain. The result? No stopping to make adjustments. No delays as a result of solution tank dumping or refilling. And no waste. Chemical-free, ultra-low level detergent, and full-strength cleaning from a single system. But that's not the whole story. What if you encounter an unexpected mess while cleaning in the chemical-free or ultra-low detergent modes? Let's say a sticky beverage spill or greasy residue. Ecoflex provides a one-touch, 60-second burst of power that temporarily delivers a more concentrated detergent solution along with increased water and down pressure. After 60 seconds, the scrubber returns to its previous green setting, so again, you're only using the necessary amount of effort. No waste, more green, all in one efficient pass. Now let's compare that to today's current floor scrubbers equipped with electrically activated water technology that claim to convert plain tap water into a powerful detergent. Extensive testing conducted by 2 independent labs has shown that a floor scrubber using electrically activated water performed no differently than when that same floor scrubber used ordinary tap water. Electrically activated or not, cleaning professionals know that water can be an effective cleanser on a variety of floor conditions, and routinely use plain tap water with scrubbers to successfully clean a range of lightly soiled floors. Yet we all know there are many floor conditions and challenges that do require the use of detergents. The Ecoflex system on Nilfisk scrubbers provide operators total flexibility to clean chemical-free or to add detergent only as needed. The Ecoflex system goes beyond standard green cleaning by offering sustainability and efficiency while still meeting the highest standards for clean. The result? Green meets clean, the smartest way to go. Now that you know just what the Ecoflex system brings to the challenges of floor cleaning, let's take a moment to highlight what this innovative system does for your business and bottom line. First of all, real savings. You'll save money. You'll use significantly less detergent. You'll save on water, and you'll be more efficient, which can lower your labor costs. Second, you'll increase productivity. With Ecoflex, you can maintain a faster, one-pass cleaning schedule with no compromise in the level of clean, which enables your staff to be more productive in other areas of your facility. And you'll save on training because, well, the Ecoflex system is just so easy to operate, thanks to the easy-to-understand control panel and one-touch operation. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about environmental impact and what it really means to be green. The Ecoflex system helps you get the most out of your resources and allows you to develop a sustainable cleaning routine. The Ecoflex system operates so efficiently that it significantly lowers environmental impact in water, in detergent, as well as not so obvious areas such as energy use. The Ecoflex system by Nilfisk truly delivers the most flexible, most efficient, one-machine solution for every kind of floor cleaning challenge you face. Whatever your job demands, you'll save money, save resources, and you'll be able to create a more sustainable cleaning program. Because sometimes it takes more than water. It takes on-the-fly flexibility. It takes Ecoflex.